Okay, let's go.
Namhlanje bengizocelebrate umntazana nge-youth yango-1976 eyafa iluleko yanamhlanje leyo kusesibukela abantu ababethu ba-inherit lokhuya okwakulelwa yi-youth yangalesa sikhathi ukuze i-future ibe bright.
Challenges are encountered by the youth of today. Okuqonda ukuthi iyouth yanamhlanje iziphi izimo ebhekana nazo. Esokuqala nje mhlawumbe engasibala ibholingi, silandelwe ama-drugs, ukuhlukumeza abantu besifazane, ne-teenage pregnancy, i-rape nokushiya isikole samncane, i-peer pressure nama-teenagers aphenduka iy'gebengu ney'ngane ey'bulalanayo. Our adults don't care about their education. They no longer have respect. Ibullying mhlawumbe ungayichaza njengohlawumbe ukuhlukunyezwa, umuntu ohlukunyezwayo. Njengokune-types of maningi ama-types of ukuhlukunyezwa.
Sanibonani, igama lami Abongagaba. Ngesibongo mase ilani ngivela into engijabulelile lana ukujabulela ukuthi sithole lonke ulwazi ngalolu suku Greetings to you all. My name is Danita and my surname is Ngobo. Today we had an event on YFC. It was for the holiday that we have today, and I had a wonderful day because I had a lot that I learned, and that the knowledge that I've got, I'm going to give it to other learners. Thank you.
We were controlled by the past system. Abantu baqala babeshawa ukuyicela intombi ngawuphethe udompasi okumele uphathe udompasi before uhambe. Ipoint lesifo, they were not allowed to vote or have rights of our own. Babengenalo ilungelo lokuthi babe nama-rights abo, babelandela ama-rights amabhunu. Ipoint lesifo, we learn for free and the government support us with stationery and food. Thina njengeyouth yamanje ugovernment usiyasupport stationery asithenge.
It was very productive and it was very informative. Sijabule kwalezingane nokuthi ifike large numbers yabona kubazali ukuthi behlezi besivumela ngalezi ngane zethu siyayishare phela ezethu zonke. Sifundile kakhulu sikwazi ukutholela sekusebenza emakhaya semphakathini sey'koleni ukuze nabo bengekho sithole lolwazi olusebenzise for the better ngoba yonke sifinayo strive for excellence. We need ukubona emphakathini wethu ukuthi sesibhekana nazo isikhathi